In this video, I'm going to show you how to place the headlights on this Dodge Ram 2500. Let's get started. If you look through the wheel well, you'll see this rubber plug here. Pry it away, and behind it, you'll expose a 10mm headed fastener. It's usually a mounting nut that goes on the back of the headlight. We have to remove that. Mine is actually completely broken. The headlight moves around, so I have nothing attaching it here. However, I'm gonna leave this off because we will need to put a mounting nut back on when we put on the new headlight. And at the front with the hood open, you can see the two 10mm fasteners here and here. That's all that's left holding this headlight on. Remove both. Now you'll be able to pull the headlight away. It's stuck on a pin up here, so just give it a quick tug and it should pop right out. On the back side, you'll see the bulbs. Try and unplug them. This one has a couple tabs, one on each side that holds on to the bulb socket. Oops. I'm not reusing the socket or the bulb itself, so that's why I'm trying to keep the socket in the headlight assembly. This one's out. When it comes to the main headlight bulb, there's a tab right here that you can pry out like that. That will allow you to squeeze on the connector, shake off any sand that's in here. Inspect these, sometimes they do melt. This one looks fine. Remove the headlight. This is the new headlight, and this little stud right here is the new mounting area that was broken on mine, so this is what we'll have to access. If you still have your old mounting nut, you reuse it, of course. If not, I'm gonna have to source a new one because mine was broken. Also, this long rod right here is the adjustment point. So you can see if you go through the front, you'll have an opening. You can use a T15 Torx Driver. So that's basically like a long screwdriver with a Torx bit on it. Turn left or right to adjust your beam up and down, which you will see at the end of the video exactly how to do. Having said all that, let's plug in the headlight bulbs. I'm gonna start with this one because it has a longer wire and it's gonna be easier. This is gonna be your running light / directional light. It only plugs in one way, so if you have it backwards, it won't slide in. There we go, make sure that clicks. And of course, your main headlight bulb. Make sure this clicks. It was a silent click, but I heard it, and don't forget to lock it down. I'm going to remove this plastic anchor point for the top of the headlight because the new headlight comes with one, and this one is quite worn out. It's okay if you break it, obviously. You have the new one. Now take your new headlight, line everything up at the top, that stud at the bottom, as well as the bolts up front. And there's a plastic pin right at the front, at the top here, that goes into that hole. Make sure you're not pinching any wires in the installation process. Once you think it's lined up, press it on. It should snap right into place, which it did. Looking at the lines, how it fits, it's perfect all the way around, it's even, and these are lined up. On the back side, I can kind of sort of see through the cracks that it's lined up. So let's put in the front bolts. Start them both in. Push the headlight and snug these up. Okay, if you're doing this by hand, give it about a quarter turn after it bottoms out. That'll squish the plastic nice and get this J-nut clamped down tight. All right, this is the best view I can give you of that mounting stud. I'm gonna put a 10mm mounting nut on it. Make sure that's snug, which it looks like it is, so that's perfect, that's installed. Now get the plug reinstalled, just like so. And at this point, test out your light and of course do the same to the other side.
Now we're going to get the vehicle ready to aim the headlights. Start with the tire pressure, making sure all 4 tires are set at the appropriate pressure. Remove any excessive weight that's not normally in the vehicle. Find a wall that you can drive up to where the ground is level. Measure 25 feet away from that wall and mark the ground. Drive your vehicle up to that mark. With the headlights off, look for the center dot in the headlight lens. Measure from the ground to that center dot. You can use a ruler to help you out. Transferring that measurement to the wall, making a mark with some tape. On the driver's side, measure down 4 inches, putting another piece of tape. For the passenger side, you only need to measure down 2 inches. Now turning the headlights on, it is easier to do this at night or in a dark area. Locating your headlight adjuster and using a Phillips head screwdriver, turn your adjuster one way or another to bring the headlight up or down. Once the headlight is adjusted to the tape mark on the wall, move on to the next headlight. If you're confused because the beams seem to blend together, you can always have someone stand in front of the other headlight while you make your adjustments for that one. Now your headlights are aligned and you're all set to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.